Today on Paul's Old Crap, we're going to do an unboxing and installation of Microsoft Bob. Microsoft Bob is part of the Microsoft Home Collection, which is the reason why I purchased this, and it just so happens the copy I have here is actually new in box as well. I picked this up on eBay not too long ago, and I probably did pay a little more than most people would for a copy of Microsoft Bob, but it was required for my collection, and I figured a video about Microsoft Bob would be interesting to do. And this is going to be a first for me because I've actually never used Microsoft Bob myself. I've only ever seen it in use in other videos and stuff like that. So this is going to be an interesting project, I think. So once we complete the unboxing, we're going to be installing it onto the 486 that I have behind it here. This is just basically a Dell 486 DX266, and it's got a copy of Windows 3.11 installed. So if we take a look at the box here, it's kind of interesting, and I think this is where the first use of this font, Comic Sans, comes into play. And this particular box, it is actually faded a little bit on this side here. You can see that the face isn't quite as yellow as it should be compared to the other sides. And there is some other discoloration that we've got in here. It might be hard to see on the camera, but I know it's there, and you know, this is not exactly a perfect specimen of Microsoft Bob, so I'm okay with doing the opening of it. Alright, so what we're going to do is remove the plastic from the box, and the way I've chosen to do this is taking a reasonably sized knife, and we're going to cut right along the top here. That looks like it worked for cutting that top plastic. Wow, that is nice. So yeah, you can still see that there is like a change in color right around here. So there is discoloration in the box from where this was probably sitting and exposed to sunlight or something like that. But otherwise, the box is in decent condition. So yeah. Anyway, let's open it up now. I want to try and be careful. I don't want to cause any further damage to this box. Sometimes these are a bit of a pain in the ass. Alright, that didn't go quite as well as I thought, but yeah. And that is actually it's a strange change in color there. I don't know if this is just super faded or if that's intentional. I have no idea. Alright, and let's see what we have here. This is the floppy disk copy. I'm not too sure if this was available also in CD-ROM or not. But yeah, we've got Microsoft Bob. Let's see. Why are there... Oh, I see. So this is discs 1 through 5, and then this starts over at disc 6 and 7, I'm assuming here. Not too sure why there's 2 bags, though, but maybe that was just for packaging purposes, actually, because the height of these in the box, yeah, that might make sense. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Want the address of the most important person at Microsoft? No, not really. So do we. Oh, wow. That is clever. Yeah. Here's how people gave all of their personal information to Microsoft. Because you have a chance to win a free trip to Hawaii or Florida. You know, you could give me a trip to Florida. I don't know if I would ever go. Yeah. So that looks like the product registration. And what else do we have here? Microsoft licensing agreement. And it's got Microsoft Bob version 1.00. Nobody reads those, so we don't have to worry about that. Bob magazine. Oh, God. Interesting. Interesting. Are you new to computers? Why, yes. Yes, I am. That's why I'm using Microsoft Bob. I don't even know what to say about this, really. It's just introducing the friends of Bob. I guess these are all just random characters that are that's in the software. I have no idea. Stay in touch with Bob email. Right. Satisfy your curiosity with science. Yes, please. And then it looks like we've got the setup instructions for installing Microsoft Bob here. Which one is drive A? Oh, gee, I don't know. Yeah, setup instructions. What to do if the colors look terrible? Oh, gee. Bunch of help-related documents. I don't know. Interesting. Ooh, then it gets real interesting. Microsoft Bob stickers. Oh, wow. You know, I really want to keep these like this for the box, but at the same time, I would really like to take one of these Microsoft Bob stickers and then like attach it to random people's personal stuff, like find someone's random laptop and slap it on there. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I would ever put one of these on anything I own. We'll see though. Ooh, this is actually kind of nice. This appears to be the catalog for the Microsoft Home Collection. And this is actually pretty helpful for me because I'm actually hunting down all of these Microsoft Home titles. So I guess under each type of title, or each kind of genre of the software, so it talks about Encarta 95, Bookshelf 94, Cinemania 95, all the sports. So we've got the baseball, and we've got basketball, Ancient Lands, Dinosaurs, Dangerous Creatures, and some of these I've never actually heard of. The Ultimate Robot. Yeah, there's a lot of these, and I out of all of these titles, I think I maybe have half of them. So yeah, this is actually quite helpful for hunting down the rest of them. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to connect the 486 up to my capture system, and then we're going to perform the installation with these floppy disks. All right, so we've got the capture set up on my 486 computer, and let's install Microsoft Bob. First thing I think we're going to do is head into the file manager, and I will put disk 1 into the drive. And we will go up. I think I forgot which drive I'm using. There we go. And run setup. Wow, this is exciting. I can hear the drive working. Hopefully the disks are still good. Welcome to Microsoft Bob installation. Okay. My name. We'll leave it at that. Sure. Searching for installed components. Hurry up. Yes, I have more than 8 megabytes of memory. Click this button to proceed. Oh boy. There we go. Program group, Microsoft Bob, sounds right. And would you like to start Bob automatically? Oh god. I'm going to go ahead and say no to this because I don't expect I would enjoy Microsoft Bob loading automatically every time. And here we go. Now is a great time to fill out your registration card. That's right. You give your personal information to Microsoft, and they totally will not sell it to anybody else. I have a feeling this process is going to take a while, so I'm probably going to do some cuts in the video here, so you don't have to sit and watch this process take like 20 minutes or whatever. Alright, so it looks like we need to restart the computer, so I will go ahead and perform that restart now. Alright, we're bringing Windows back up here, and hopefully we will have a working installation of Microsoft Bob. Yeah. Alright. What do you know? Microsoft Bob. Let's get into it. Good evening. Click on the door to sign in. I'm assuming. Okay. To sign in, you choose your name from the list. Let's see. Are you new to the home? Sure. Welcome to Bob. Blah, blah, blah. You can call me Rover. First name. Let's see. It is Paul. And I don't want to fill out any of this other crap. Let's just see if I can proceed. Please fill in everything. Oh my god. Prefer to be called crap. Hometown. 01, 2000. Let's see if it accepts this. Blah, blah, blah. Password? Type your password. My password is Bob. Type it again to be sure. Okay, I will. Oh my god. Really? Oh, I can skip that. Okay, perfect. Your home comes set up with shared rooms. In addition to have your own private room, which type of room would you like? You know, I'm going to go ahead and say I want a study. I'm setting up your home. Yippee, buddy. Oh my god. Will you be starting DOS Windows programs from inside your home if you need to look for them? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and skip for now. May I show you around? No, I don't think so. I think we'll just explore the house ourselves. All right. Welcome to the Bob home, crap. When you're done with the program, just click on the green exit sign, blah, blah, blah. Okay, there it is. So right down there would be to exit. For now, click on thanks to get started. Crap. To start a program, just click on it. What is this program? Geo Safari for Bob. I don't know what this is. We're off and running, crap. Excellent. Educational insights. Geo Safari. Okay. See you later, dog. And now this dude shows up. Mr. Crap. Greetings, Crap. Welcome to Geo Safari, where discovery is fun. Wow. Okay, first let's quiz. I don't want to. Okay. So I think it's going to give me a quiz about Canada. Yes, okay. We are playing as Crap. Oh my god. Sure.
Okay, ready?
Here are the rules. You, Crap, will be given precisely 3 chances to answer each question. Okay, begin the quiz. Match the map feature. What city is that? You know, I don't even know. I'm certain that is Ottawa. Smashing, Crap. Sure, next question. You know, considering I live here, I should probably know what province that is. I'm gonna get this wrong, and I'm gonna look like an idiot. Try it again. Okay, well, it has to be New Brunswick. Seriously? Newfoundland? Okay.
Great.
Okay, this is boring. How do I... Oh, I have to exit. Are you sure you want to... Yes. Get me out of here.
See you later.
Until next time, Crap. Oh my god. Alright, our dog is back. What was this thing? Household manager, start program. Oh boy. But look at these amazing graphics. This is excellent, excellent. Okay. Where to, Crap? You know what? Personal growth. Yes, I think I need some of that. Okay. Do you have a great idea? You know what? I don't feel like doing this. I have no room in my life for personal growth. However, let's look at scrapbook. School records here. What is this? It's the same thing, just more lists. I don't understand. I thought there'd be pictures to do. I don't know. What is this? Gifts? Come on, what is this? These are all just lists. I don't... Wow. So basically they took like a very basic version of like Microsoft Excel and somehow made it apply to literally everything in here. I don't know. Yes, I want to exit. This is extremely boring. I don't have time in my life to be doing more work. What are these? This is a decorative object? What can I do? Okay, we're going to put some flowers over here. And Somehow it just allows this, even though it can't possibly work, because it's now behind the fireplace. Interesting. What does a door handle do? Door to another room. Go to public study. What's in here? Okay. Yeah. So I'm thinking this is just a special room, and I'm gonna make a big ass rose. You can't even see it anymore. There we go. And okay, so it looks like the options are all the same. You still have the home thing that we were in there before, and then over here is the calendar. This was also on the wall of the other room, so yeah, craps calendar. This is interesting. It knows the date, and I don't remember setting the date in this computer. I'm actually surprised it still actually works this far ahead. So it is reading that it is January 18th, 2020. Fascinating. And no, we don't want that. And what shall we do? Who cares? What is this? Eco tips. A gas-powered clothes dryer consumes only about 1/3 of the energy that is consumed by an electric-powered dryer. What decade is this supposed to relate to? Who has a gas-powered clothes dryer? What? Poo day. Okay, that's fascinating. If we go over here, does this change? Oh, excellent. Information about the Confederates. So I guess it's just packed with various facts. More about the Confederates. Yeah, I seriously don't care. So I think we'll just exit this. Are you sure you want to exit the Bob calendar? Yes. So yeah, I guess these options were all the same. The only thing I appear to be missing was that Geo Safari, I think. I wonder what would happen if we go back to the public family room. Okay. So yeah, that was that we don't have in the new room. And then I think some of these other ones might not have been there. This was, I think, Bob email. Starting up for you, pal. I ain't your pal, buddy. Setting up your email. Well, I'm not gonna... Ooh, at bob.com. Oh, I wonder if this makes your MCI ID. Interesting. So I guess if you're to supply your own email address, you have to be with MCI. Or if... okay, so I guess this Bob email service was then run by MCI. Okay, whatever. I don't care, get me out of here. What the hell is this? Address book? Yeah, I don't really care. I think let's just see if there's any other rooms we can jump to. Public study. Wasn't I just in there? Go to another room. Public safe? A vault for what? This is interesting. Lava lamp. Yeah, let's put a lava lamp in the safe. Amazing. So these are just like the same options that you could find in the other room, I think, but it's pretending to be inside of a safe. This is hilarious. Ace? Shut up, dog. Bob Financial Guide. Oh my god. Let's see, what do we have here? I was born in the 80s, so like none of this really applies to me. Buying a home, yeah, it's not going to happen anytime soon. Life's milestones, installing Microsoft Bob. Estate planning, okay. Saving strategies. Are these just more lists? Estimate your net worth. Oh, this should be fun. But I don't want to have to enter. Well, it would just be 0 anyway. What would you like to do? I don't know. What are my assets? Nothing. Oh, so I guess I would have to, like, you can't type now, but okay. Click here to print. Oh, I guess I have to enter all of this crap in somewhere else. What if I go back to table of contents? So I'm assuming if I go into like the banks area and then tell it how much money I have, checking account, or is this just information? I don't understand. Well, where do I input? I can't. Okay, I don't have a printer, dumbass. So this, I'm assuming this ties in somehow with everything else, but where I'm actually supposed to enter this information, theft prevention. This is just like reading information. I don't appear to be able to find any data entry here. You're okay. You know what, Bob? You're being extremely unhelpful. Yes. So, okay, so the financial guide then, I'm assuming, is just information and there's not actually any entry in there. I don't know. Oh, wait. No, we don't want to exit quite yet. We're gonna... Let's just see if there's anything else. Public mouse hole. Okay. This is probably the most pointless thing I've ever seen. So we have, like, this room set up just for, I'm assuming this, because then, what is this? Oh, that's an actual clock. Okay. And then this, Geo Safari, I believe, is what this is. Yes, we're not going to run that. I hate that. Oh, and then I gotta click, go to another room. Wow, contemporary study, family room. Let's just go back to the family room. So this is a horrible computing experience, to be honest. Having to wait for all of these animations to happen, and then, of course, the end result is disappointment because all the programs are just like crap. I can understand how this program failed, and if you're super new at computers, you might not be able to figure out exactly what is supposed to be clickable in here right off the bat. I have some idea because I think I've seen other Bob videos on YouTube, and yeah, it's like I already know kind of what I should be clicking on, but then there's other things that I'm not sure of, like, why, what is this? Letter writer? I don't want to write a letter. But I mean, that's basically everything I just assume is clickable. I mean, I guess maybe this? Oh yeah, okay, that works. But then these things down here. And the difference of the icon between clickable and not is kind of minor. Like, I can see the icon change for the mouse right in here, but I don't want to have to... Oh, why is this clickable? Oh, thank you. Waste of time. So they have a bunch of clickable elements that are really just pointless. It's like, why would you want to be able to do that? Seriously. Oh, wow. I'm reorganizing my house. Fantastic. And then this stupid dog here. Oh, seriously? What are you doing? Rover's Ramblings? Why would anyone care? What the hell? Jesus. Yeah. Can you do other things? Oh, what happened? What happened? Okay, so I guess that's more ramblings. What? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I have to exit. Are you? Yes! I can't take any more of this. Oh, and we gotta wait for more animations just to exit the program. We didn't, I clicked exit. Oh my god. So by exiting, we're literally standing on like the doorstep, and I have to exit again. Are you sure? Yes, exit the home. Oh god. How do I uninstall this? It must be this program here. I do have that much memory, Bob, you idiot. Oh, excellent. Okay. So there is an option here to remove Microsoft Bob from the computer. You know what? I'm not going to do it quite yet. I've got plenty of hard drive space on this computer. I think I'll probably leave this installed in case I need to punish myself for something, so. Oh, man. So, yeah. I suppose that was the Microsoft Bob experience. And yeah, it's extremely pointless. And there's one option that we didn't really look into, and that was adding your own applications to the Bob interface. But if you have all of your programs in your program manager and you can access them by like just double clicking on things, why would you add them to Microsoft Bob and spend 5 minutes to open the same program you could open in 10 seconds in Program Manager? You know, even if you've never used a computer before, Program Manager is fairly simple to operate. I can only imagine Bob appealed to people who were maybe brain dead or something like that. So, yeah. Anyway, I think that brings us to the end of this video, because I'm sure if you've reached this far, you are probably as done with Microsoft Bob as I am. So, thank you for watching.